Let's make cupcakes. Hi friends, ready to bake something sweet and yummy? Today we're making cupcakes. Here, what you need: 1 cup sugar, 2 cup butter, 2 eggs, 2 tsp vanilla, 2 cups flour, 4 tsp baking powder, 2 cup milk, cupcake liners plus a muffin pan. Step 1. Mix sugar and butter in a bowl until fluffy. Step 2. Add eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla. Step 3. In a second bowl, mix flour and baking powder. Slowly add it to your first bowl and stir. Step 4. Pour in the milk and mix again. Your batter is ready. Step 5. Fill each cupcake liner halfway. Step 6. Ask an adult to help bake them at 350 degrees F, 180 degrees C for 18-20 minutes. While they bake, sing the cupcake song: cupcakes, cupcakes, fluffy and round. Baking in the oven, golden and brown. Once they're cool, it's time to decorate. Add frosting and sprinkles any way you like. And just like that, you made cupcakes. Great job, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun baking videos.